The second product on this list is the SIMpson ALH3228-S. When buying a pressure washer, it's essential to consider how many heavy-duty tasks you're going to need it for. The SIMpson is a gas-powered unit that provides high PSI and great longevity that is perfect for years of hard use. You'll find that the SIMpson has a Honda GX200 engine with a low oil shutdown feature. Furthermore, the triplex pump is equipped with an advanced oil seal that is paired with ceramic-coated pistons for extended seal life. You'll particularly like that the steel-braided monster hose is kink and abrasion resistant, with quick connect fittings and a polyurethane outer jacket. This will ensure durability and long-term life. Not only that, but the 10-inch premium pneumatic tires let you traverse various terrains with no hassle. These tires are also extremely durable and make maneuverability easier for you. However, the SIMpson weighs 73 pounds, which can make moving it a chore, even with these great tires to help out. Regardless, you will like the 3400 PSI and 2.5 GPM that the SIMpson provides. You will also notice the extremely convenient nozzle holders that keep them all in one place so you won't lose them. Furthermore, they are color-coded with instructions on what each nozzle does. This will reduce any confusion on which nozzle does what. When it comes to professional performance, you can't go wrong with this unit. Its pros are, its engine offers both low oil shutdown features and extended piston seal life. Its steel-braided hose has a polyurethane outer jacket for extreme durability, and its nozzles have a holder that is color-coded to make your life easier and less confusing. However, the height of the handle used for moving it around is annoyingly low. The SIMpson ALH3228-S brings both convenience and durability to a very powerful engine. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.